Hi everyone, here at Just for Fun, we do all kinds of things. Let's do card magic today. Hi everyone. This is called not twisting the aces. So we have 4 cards here, which are the 4 aces. And the reason this is called not twisting the aces is because we don't twist the aces, but we do turn them over one at a time. And there, if we take the 2 red cards and put them between the 2 black cards, and then we just do a little shake move like that, then we can have one turned over, and that is the spade, ace of spades. Do that one, and the ace of clubs turned over. Do that one again, and the heart, the ace of hearts turned over, and do that one again, and the ace of diamond was turned over. And that's the trick. That's called not twisting the aces. And you just take your 4 aces out like that, and you just twist them without twisting them, sorry, you turn them over. Disclaimer, I saw this magic trick many years ago. I couldn't remember how it was done. I looked at my notes and I found it again. I do not know who done it, and I can't remember the channel I found it on, but I think it's an awesome trick. I'm not professional, you probably saw how I did it, but let's go on to the tutorial. Welcome to the tutorial. Well, the not twisting the aces, because I don't know what to call it and what they even called it in the first place. So if anybody knows, please do leave a comment. We have the 4 aces. The setup is 2 red ones at the bottom, 2 black on the top. And as you turn them over, as you take the 4 aces, sorry, should I say, and you turn them over, you carry an extra card from the deck, and the card is right here at the bottom, the extra one. So the thing to do then is hold like this, and then take 1 card at a time off. Be careful not to flash, and then put this card on top like that. Get the 2 aces and put it in the middle. But actual fact, you've got 3 cards there. The one in the middle there is turned over. And then just do that, and as you do, you can see that one's turned over, and you say you've got the ace of spades turned over, but in actual fact the ace of spades is right here. So you hold these 2 in the grip like that, put it down, and then do the same thing again, and then you say the ace of clubs turned over. Well, actually, in fact, it's here. You put that down. Then you say the ace of diamonds turned over, depending on how you've got your cards. This is the ace of a heart there, so this ace of diamonds turned over. In actual fact, it's right there. And then you say, well, you've had, obviously, if you do that again, and then you say ace of hearts turned over. Well, what you do, grab the card again and put it on the bottom there. And so you're back to normal thing, and just put it on top of your deck, and you say you got your 4 aces turned over one by one without twisting the aces. So that's what I'm calling it. I don't know the correct name for it, and I don't know where I got it from, but whoever did it was brilliant, and I think it's a really great trick. Saves all the hard work of Emsley count and everything else when you're twisting the aces, etc. Hope you enjoyed. Do subscribe, comment, and leave a thumbs up.